What's up guys, this is Danko on the beat. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys see from the thumbnail, what I've got for you guys today. So guys, before getting into this video, I'd like to say don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below, because that helps me and you so that we can grow together and you can see more content that will help you to improve your sound. As you guys said, you needed sound that can improve your sound. It's what I'm dropping now. So let's get into this video, and don't forget that all these packs that are on the membership. There's no way, there's no deal. All the packs that you guys really need are on the membership. Whether you don't like, whether you don't comment, all the packs are on the membership. So you're not commenting, it's that shows that you're not in the right direction where you need help. So let's get into this video, because there's none to talk. So let's get in and let's hear what I've got for you guys today. First, I'm gonna start with my loops that I've made today for you guys. So as you guys heard from the first loop, so the second loop, and then we have this and then we've got some vocals. So as you guys heard from the first loop, and let's go for the second one. So we've got the second guitar. And then we've got the last guitar. So as you guys heard from that, so I like to go to because I made some cards for you guys, because you guys really need some cards. So I did some cards so that you guys can can use around. So my first card, so that's the first card. So the second card, so that's the second card. The third card, so the fourth chord, about seven chords on this pack, and we've got some drum loop that I'm gonna be playing for you guys today. My first drum loop. So that's the first drum loop. The second drum loop. So the third one. So the fourth one. So that's the fourth drum loop, and then we have some kicks, about 7, and then we've got some hi-hats and crashes. And then we've got some drum lock. So we have the Meek Man drum lock. So you guys can stay tuned here. Let me just do this. And we've got for Kelvin Momo. So because I changed my FL Studio, so I'll just go here. So yeah, you guys are gonna dive in and then we'll come here. So you guys are gonna dive in on this presets. So all those presets are for you guys. Preset, and then we go for our percussion. So we've got about 143 percussion for you guys, and then we've got some effect. Got some shakers. So we've got about 7 shakers. So you guys, if you like this, please can you comment down below. Commenting down below, it helps me and you so that we can grow together. So the more you don't comment, the more you don't see the packs that you guys really want to see on the, like the ones that you really want, so you should request down below, and so that us as producers, we can do it for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this pack and make great beats, and don't forget to to love yourself.